In today's world, it is very hard to find honesty. Honesty in relationships, honesty in society, honesty at work, and especially honesty in the media. There is always some lies mixed in with the truth of what we see, hear, taste, smell, and therefore feel. Whether we see an ad on the television trying to convince us that we need something in our lives or it'll make it better, or news trying to incite paranoia and panic in us regarding our environment and those around us. This is because producers of the media we consume have vested interest in something other than what they are trying to make you believe. In this manner, the charade show that you see is biased towards a particular view. This is especially true when it comes to reviewing products. Often what you see is a person being very excitable and trying to convince the audience that what they are showing them is worth for them to invest their time and money into. They are often restricted and biased due to the funders whom pay them for the review and or for the product that they are reviewing. In this method, the funders ensure that the reviews are of a positive nature, therefore ensuring the product's demand. After seeing this gap in the market, I decided to establish HSR to cut through the rubbish and present to you a clean and unorthodox view. Here at Honest Straightforward Reviews, the products are funded solely by me, thus eliminating any restrictions or biases in my reviews. What you see is what you get. Consequently, you can be confident that Honest Straightforward Reviews is your place to get unbiased and genuine reviews. To ensure that this channel remains unbiased and genuine, please ensure to check SHR's Patreon page and support us financially if you can. However, if you cannot bear this expense, you can still support us simply by subscribing, liking and commenting on our channel and following us on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you found this video to be useful in understanding SHR and our cause. Thank you for taking the time to stay till the end of this video. Keep it honest and real. Peace out.